Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Diesel engines in American trucks, power and impact. Diesel engines power most American trucks. They're a key part of the automotive industry. What makes them so important? Diesel engines offer better torque and fuel efficiency. They help trucks haul heavy loads over long distances. Truck owners and drivers rely on them for work and travel. The impact of diesel engines is significant. They shape the U.S. truck market and economy. History of diesel engines in American trucks. The story of diesel engines in American trucks is a long and fascinating one. It began in the early 20th century, when diesel engines were first introduced in the U.S. At that time, they were mostly used in large ships and generators. But as the technology improved, diesel engines started to be used in trucks. What drove this change? The answer lies in the unique advantages of diesel engines. They offered better fuel efficiency and more torque than traditional gasoline engines. This made them perfect for heavy-duty applications like trucking. Early adoption and development. In the 1920s and 1930s, American truck manufacturers like Kenworth and Peterbilt started to experiment with diesel engines. The first diesel-powered trucks were not very popular, due to their high cost and limited power. However, as the technology improved, diesel engines became more efficient and powerful. By the 1950s, diesel engines had become the standard for American trucks. They were used in everything from small pickups to large semi-trucks. The development of diesel engines continued throughout the 20th century, with advancements in fuel injection systems, turbocharging, and emissions reduction. Key milestones and innovations. Some key milestones in the development of diesel engines for American trucks include the introduction of the first turbocharged diesel engine in the 1950s, and the development of the first electronic fuel injection system in the 1980s. These innovations greatly improved the performance and efficiency of diesel engines. Other notable developments include the introduction of common rail fuel injection and exhaust gas recirculation systems. These technologies have helped to reduce emissions and improve fuel efficiency. Today, diesel engines are more powerful and efficient than ever before. They are used in a wide range of applications, from construction equipment to passenger vehicles. What's next for diesel engines in American trucks? Will they continue to dominate the market, or will alternative fuels and technologies gain traction? The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear: diesel engines have come a long way since their introduction in the early 20th century. Environmental impact of diesel engines. The environmental impact of diesel engines in American trucks is a pressing concern. We need to consider the effects of diesel emissions on air quality and public health. What's the real cost of using diesel engines in trucks? Can we afford to ignore the environmental consequences? Diesel engines are a major source of air pollution, producing particulate matter, nitrogen oxides, and other harmful emissions. These pollutants can cause serious health problems, including respiratory issues and cancer. The question is, how can we balance the need for powerful and efficient engines with the need to protect the environment? Emissions and air quality. Exhaust from diesel engines contains a toxic mix of chemicals that can harm humans and the environment. For example, particulate matter can penetrate deep into the lungs, causing damage and disease. Nitrogen oxides can react with other pollutants to form ground-level ozone, which can exacerbate respiratory problems like asthma. We should consider the following factors that affect emissions. The type of fuel used. Engine maintenance and tuning. The presence of emission control systems. Driving habits and conditions. To reduce emissions, truck manufacturers and owners can use technologies like diesel particulate filters and selective catalytic reduction systems. These technologies can significantly reduce the amount of harmful pollutants released into the air. Fuel efficiency and consumption. Diesel engines are generally more fuel efficient than gasoline engines, especially for heavy-duty applications like trucking. However, they still consume large amounts of fuel, which contributes to greenhouse gas emissions and climate change. What can we do to improve fuel efficiency and reduce consumption? Some strategies include optimizing engine performance and maintenance, using alternative fuels like biodiesel or renewable diesel, implementing fuel-saving technologies like automatic start-stop systems, encouraging eco-friendly driving practices like reducing idling time and maintaining moderate speeds. By adopting these strategies, we can reduce the environmental impact of diesel engines in American trucks and create a more sustainable future for the transportation industry. Can you think of other ways to reduce fuel consumption and emissions? Performance and capability of diesel engines. Diesel engines are known for their power and reliability in American trucks. But what makes them so capable? Let's take a closer look at their performance. Diesel engines offer a unique combination of torque, fuel efficiency, and durability. They can handle heavy loads and long distances with ease. But how do they compare to other engine types in terms of towing and hauling capacity? Towing and hauling capacity. Compare the towing and hauling capacity of diesel engines with other engine types in American trucks. When it comes to towing and hauling, diesel engines are the clear winner. They offer more torque and better fuel efficiency than gasoline engines, making them perfect for heavy-duty applications. For example, a diesel engine can tow a large trailer or haul a heavy load up a steep hill without straining. In contrast, gasoline engines may struggle with such tasks. Here are some key differences. Diesel engines typically offer 20–30% more torque than gasoline engines. Diesel engines are more fuel efficient, especially for long-distance hauling. Diesel engines are more durable and require less maintenance than gasoline engines. Consider a scenario where you need to tow a large boat or haul a heavy load across the country. Which engine type would you choose? That's it for part 1. We've explored the history and key advantages of diesel engines, but stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive into the specific models and innovations that made diesel engines a game-changer for American trucks. You won't want to miss it. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.